Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and today I am going to do a review on the TEAAHA muscle massager. I've been looking at this on Amazon. The company was kind enough to send this to me for a little bit of testing with myself and real patients. So let's do an unboxing right now. Let's take a look at what this looks like out of the box, and then I will shoot a series of videos testing it on various conditions. All right, let's see what we've got. So it comes with a pretty heavy duty carrying case. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and unzip it. We've got our manual, which obviously is gonna have some maintenance information, some illustrations, how to use, some notes, battery instructions. It comes with a series of different attachments, much like most of the other ones. I would say the first thing right out of the box, compared to some of the $40 and $50 devices that I've been using, is it feels like a much sturdier, heavier product, probably better build quality. You know, the two things that you're looking at with a more expensive massage gun is the build quality, the longevity. Now here in the clinic, we use these on a daily basis, but then the other part I wanna know is, what's the battery life like? If you're using this at home, probably not a big deal. You'll have plenty of battery for single use, but here in the clinic, we use this with multiple patients throughout the day. So we want something that charges quick and has a long battery life. So it comes with my little USB cord. It's got the normal attachments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attachments. This is always my favorite attachment, this kind of flatter knob. This seems to glide the best and work the best, but one that I'm interested in seeing is this attachment right here. I've never used this, but this actually immediately gives me some ideas for some lymphedema kind of treatments that I might be looking to use. So guys, let me do this. I'm gonna get it charged up. I wanna thank TEAAHA for sending me the device and letting me test it out. I'll see you guys on the follow-up video.